start. With respect to the contentions that at no stage of bail the sponsoring authority had a contention that the detainees would further indulge in act of smuggling or that they had to be detained cannot be accepted at all. Stop. The role of the sponsoring authority and the detaining authority are distinct and different. Stop. After the proposal for detention placed before the detaining authority, the Central Screening Committee, consisting of senior officers from the different organizations, will screen the entire proposal and make the recommendation, and only after this stage the proposal goes to the detaining authority. Stop. Thus, distinct, different and independent authorities are to examine the materials, and it is thereafter that the detaining authority has to independently arrive at the subjective satisfaction to decide whether to detain or not. Stop. The detaining authority has also to satisfy itself about the propensity of the proposed detainees to indulge in prejudicial activities in future. Stop. Viewed in this background, the contention on behalf of the detainees that at the stage of bail the sponsoring authority did not contend anywhere that the accused would indulge in prejudicial activities in future and therefore the detention orders are bad cannot be accepted at all. Stop. The power of preventive detention is qualitatively different from punitive detention. Stop. The power of preventive detention is a precautionary power exercised in reasonable anticipation. Stop. It may or may not relate to an offense. Stop. It is not a parallel proceeding. Stop. It does not overlap with prosecution even if it relies on certain facts for which prosecution may be launched or to be launched. Stop. An order of preventive detention may be made before or during prosecution. Stop. An order of preventive detention may be made with or without prosecution and in anticipation or after discharge or even acquittal. Stop. The pendency of prosecution is no bar to an order of preventive detention. Stop. An order of preventive detention is also not a bar to prosecution. Stop. Para. With respect to the contention that the detainees retracted the statements made under Section 108 of the Customs Act, it has to be noted that the sponsoring authority had already issued the rebuttal statement and the detaining authority has considered the retraction as well as the rebuttal of the sponsoring authority in the grounds of detention, which is done in the orders of detention in these cases. Stop. There is no further requirement on the part of the detaining authority as far as the retractions are concerned except to consider the confessional statements, the retraction and the rebuttals, if any, of the sponsoring authority. Stop. As a matter of fact, even after the retractions, fresh statement has been given on 29/7/2021 stating that all the previous statements were true wherein the previous acts of smuggling were also admitted. Stop. The contention on this count are also accordingly rejected. Stop. Para. In our opinion, it is therefore clear that while there is a connection between the obligation on the part of the detaining authority to furnish grounds and the right given to the detained person to have an earliest opportunity to make the representation, the test to be applied in respect of the contents of the grounds for the two purposes is quite different. Stop. As already pointed out, for the first, the test is whether it is sufficient to satisfy the authorities. Stop.